Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I will give you a tutorial on remote access Mikrotik router board. Okay, we just do the configuration, listen carefully. This is the topology. Your laptop connect with LAN cable in the router board. In the new Mikrotik router board usually have a default IP configuration on Ether1, which is 192.168.88.1 with the admin as username and without a password. There are several ways to access it, such as I wanna remote with Winbox. Open the Winbox and connect with IP address. You can connect with MAC address too. And this video I wanna connect with IP address. Login as admin and without the password, and then click connect. If the remote is successful, it will look like this. Okay. The second, I wanna remote with Mikrotik application. Open the Mikrotik application. Type your IP address 192.168.88.1, and then port is 22 and the SSH. Click open. Login as admin, type admin, and then enter. And here are the result. Close. Third, remote with WebVic. Open the browser and type your IP address 192.168.88.1 and then click enter. And this is what the WebVic looks like. Successful. Okay. Number 3, remote with FTP. Click open the file explorer and then type ftp/192.168.88.1 and then click enter. Username is admin and the password is blank, and click login. And if successful, the FTP display will be like this. Okay, after that, remote with CMD. Press the Windows R and CMD. Type telnet 192.168.88.1 and then enter. Login as admin and password is blank. Enter and enter. Okay, it's successful. This is my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.